Hi, and welcome to my hotel and room tour of the Hyatt Regency Vancouver. It's a large hotel with 35 floors and multiple event spaces. It's located on busy Burrard Street in the heart of downtown and is near a variety of sites, including the scenic Seawall Water Walk. They also use this smart elevator system, but the hotel is so large that one time we had to wait over 5 minutes. We were traveling with my parents and were given connecting rooms on the 31st floor. The room was about 380 square feet with 2 double beds. I would have preferred 2 queen beds, but they only offered doubles or kings. Regardless, we usually just make it work. The TV was particularly large, but that's definitely not a complaint. The room does come with a coffee maker, refrigerator, as well as a safe in this closet. The bathroom was basic with nothing exceptional, and it had the smallest ceiling-mounted rainfall shower head, but the room was clean and well lit. And at no extra charge, the hotel provided us with a humidifier as well as a microwave. Here's a creative use of the emergency stairway. They call it the Nature Hike Challenge, with each floor having some unique wall painting. As with hotels nowadays, parking is extremely expensive. Located on the 4th floor is the gym and outdoor pool and spa. It's a decent size given the high guest count and included 2 Peloton bikes. Hyatt partnered with Peloton to encourage guests to work out in exchange for World of Hyatt points. I did my workout, but for whatever reason, the points never registered in my account. The equipment was in good shape, and though it was busy, it did not feel crowded. The pool was very nice and had a beautiful backdrop of the city. It was clean and well kept. Though I did not try it, there is also an outdoor sauna, something you just don't see very often. As Hyatt Globalists, we received complimentary breakfast at the Mosaic Bar and Grill on the 2nd floor. We had the option to order the buffet or a la carte from the menu. Buffet was good with a decent range of items, including an omelet station. We went a little bit later, so perhaps that is the reason why the restaurant was not very busy. My wife had a nice quinoa bowl from the menu, which was huge and well put together. Overall, I really enjoyed my stay at this hotel. Its location and overall basic amenities make this a good choice should we visit Vancouver again. However, it was recently upgraded from a Category 4 to Category 5 hotel point redemption, so that's something to keep in mind. Still a solid spot in downtown Vancouver. Thanks for watching.